In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Amazon Pay plugin for WooCommerce 2025 full WordPress guide. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard for your WooCommerce store. Make sure you're logged in with administrator access so you can install and configure plugins. It's also helpful to have your site on HTTPS and to keep WordPress and WooCommerce updated for the smoothest setup. From the dashboard, open your store's plugins area, then choose Add New. In the search box, type Amazon Pay. Look for the official Amazon Pay plugin published by Amazon Pay and confirm it's the correct one by checking the author and reviews. Click Install. Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. After activation, the payment method becomes available inside WooCommerce and you're ready to configure it. Next, go to WooCommerce in the left menu and open Settings. Navigate to the Payments tab. You'll see a list of available payment gateways. Locate Amazon Pay and click the Complete Setup link. This will launch the guided onboarding provided by the plugin. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the setup. The wizard typically asks you to connect or sign into your Amazon Pay account, choose the correct region for your business, and agree to the terms. You may be prompted to confirm store details such as your site URL and business information. If you see an option to enable sandbox or test mode, you can use that to try out the flow safely before going live. The plugin usually handles technical fields automatically, so most users can simply review the defaults and continue. If you're offered display options, like where the Amazon Pay button appears on product or checkout pages, pick what fits your store's design. When you reach the end of the wizard, confirm and save your changes. Once you're returned to the Payments tab, double-check that Amazon Pay appears in the list and is switched on. If there's an Enable toggle, make sure it's active. That's it for the configuration. From this point, the Amazon Pay button will be available according to the placement you selected in the setup, and shoppers can sign in and pay with their Amazon account. If you ever need to adjust settings later, you can return to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments, and select Amazon Pay to refine options. And if something doesn't look right, revisit the wizard and follow the prompts again to verify your selections. You've successfully installed and configured Amazon Pay in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching and happy selling.